Welcome. In this video we will tackle an IELTS academic writing task 1. It is a process diagram about pineapples, and together we will read the graphic, brainstorm it, and build a full band 9 model answer. Here is the question. The diagram below shows the process of growing and preparing pineapples and pineapple products. We must summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features, and make comparisons where relevant. Let us look carefully at the diagram. Across the top we can see how a pineapple is grown, from a small crown into a mature fruit. Then, at the center, the harvested fruit splits into 3 different paths, each producing a different product. First, a quick reminder of what task 1 asks for. You simply describe the visual information in your own words. You do not give opinions or explain reasons. Write at least 150 words in about 20 minutes. In 4 paragraphs, an introduction, an overview, and 2 body paragraphs. The overview is the most important part, so never leave it out. Now let us brainstorm. The key is to spot the 2 big phases. Phase 1 is growing. It is a single, linear path that turns a crown into a fruit over about 12 months, needing sunshine, warmth, and a chemical spray. Phase 2 is processing, where the fruit branches into 3 separate routes: juice, canned pineapple, and fresh fruit for export. Spotting these 2 patterns gives us our overview. Here is our plan. The introduction paraphrases the question in a single sentence. The overview names the 2 phases and the 3 products, with no numbers. Body 1 describes the growing stage in time order. Body 2 walks through the 3 processing routes, one by one. Here is the introduction. The diagram illustrates the various stages involved in cultivating pineapples, and then processing them into 3 distinct pineapple products. Notice how the question words are paraphrased, rather than copied. Now the overview, the single most important paragraph. Overall, the procedure can be divided into 2 main phases. The first is a linear growing stage that gradually turns a small crown into a mature fruit, while the second is a manufacturing stage in which the harvested pineapples follow one of 3 separate routes, yielding juice, canned pineapple, or fresh fruit for export. Importantly, this paragraph contains no specific figures. Body 1 covers the growing stage. To begin with, a crown is planted in the soil, where it grows to a height of 26 centimeters. During this period, the plant requires plentiful sunshine and temperatures of between 23 and 30 degrees Celsius. After 7 months, it is sprayed with a chemical known as eveline, and following a further 5 months it matures into a full-sized pineapple measuring 30 centimeters tall and weighing 2 kilograms, at which point it is ready to be harvested. Body 2 describes the 3 routes. Once picked and washed, the fruit is processed in one of 3 ways. In the first, the top is cut off, and the flesh is removed before being pressed in an extractor to produce juice, which is sold in cartons. In the second, the pineapple is topped, halved and sliced into rings, which are then sealed in cans. In the final route, whole pineapples are coated in wax, stacked in layers and shipped overseas for export. So why does this answer reach band 9? Task achievement. There is a clear overview, every stage is covered, and the key data is selected. Coherence. Time sequencers and logical paragraphs give a smooth flow. Lexical resource. Precise process verbs like cultivate, extract, seal and coat. And grammatical range. Passive voice and complex sentences, used accurately. One honest note. Band 9 here is an internal writing quality assessment against the public IELTS descriptors, not a certified examiner score. And that is a complete task 1 answer. Remember, read the picture, find the 2 or 3 big patterns for your overview, plan 4 paragraphs, and describe rather than give opinions. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your IELTS.